Hey, it's Deborah Atkinson, host of Flipping 50 TV show and the Flipping 50 podcast, and I am back with super exciting recipes for the Super Bowl. So this one may be a little different than you might serve up for a bunch of people coming over. It's not exactly your finger food and your dip and spread kind of thing, but I guarantee you they're going to eat it up. And because it's different, it's not usually served, it'll probably go faster. So here's what it is, just a simple Greek salad. So take a look, it's gorgeous, right? When you get a little color with the green, you got the tomatoes, you got the black olives. I like to put a little pepperoncini in it, and then I've got onions all ready to go, so you can play with it. I'm using goat cheese today. If you have anybody with allergies, can't use that, but it's beautiful, right? But it takes the right kind of dressing to really make it pop. So here we go. All this takes is about 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Takes about 3 tablespoons of fresh if you can, squeezed lemon, because it really makes a difference. You're gonna pop it in there. I've also got in here, and I'm gonna use my finger, sorry about that, some fresh ground black pepper already put in. And then I'm gonna add oregano. So it calls for a teaspoon of dried oregano, and you could use fresh, might be even better. I just go a little generous on my oregano. So I really wanna go a little stronger on flavors, because remember what else is gonna be on this buffet. So, you know, with the strength of other things on the table, you know, consider that. Do you want it to kind of stand up on its own, or maybe you want something that's a little milder. So all I have to do now, is hold on to it. So all that's left now is to pop the blade on, and you just need to help that go around enough so that the olive oil is emulsified. Now, all done. And I'm gonna taste test here. Smell, actually. I'm going to add a little salt here. So I added some at first. I'm going to add just a little bit more of this Ava James salt. So it's super coarse. It's kind of the experience of grinding it in your fingers. And it is so good. Add a little rinse. And one more. Let's go around. So yummy. Okay, so super well blended. I'm gonna do a little finger test here. Just right. So the romaine is a little sweeter, right? With that, I'm gonna blend that in, toss it a little bit. Delicious. We're gonna serve it up because, of course, we've got to practice right before the guests come, right? So we need a sample. Totally up to you, but I think it's gorgeous. And you could just pop a little salmon, grill it, broil it, pop it on top, add a little quinoa, you're done. You've got a healthy meal. So all the things that are on the buffet, a lot of finger foods, maybe gonna have a little bit more carbs, a little bit more protein in them. So getting some vegetables out there in something other than a carrot stick. I'll see you on the flip side.